Okay, I'm gonna start out this video by saying I grew up in the country, but I never grew up really around animals. My grandpa had race horses, but I never really rode them or had anything to do with them other than to watch them race. So when I married Clay, this is all kind of new for me. Braxton's in 4-H now that he's 8 years old, and somehow me and him have to figure out how to get his horse to 4-H and how to saddle it because Clay's really busy this month and probably won't be home the nights that we need to go to 4-H to do that. So today Clay is going to give me how to saddle horse lessons, and by the end of the summer he's probably going to give me how to drive truck and trailer lessons too. So until then I have to beg my dad or somebody to come hook up to the trailer and take us to 4-H. But I think I can probably saddle the horse after Clay gives me these lessons. But Braxton and Indy say they know how to do it and they can do it by themselves without me. So I have them and they should know how to do it. Indy says she knows how to do peaches. Indy says she knows how to saddle peaches. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Where are you? What are you doing with that hammer?
I'm gonna work on it.
Okay.
I'll come right back.
You'll come right back? Clay thinks that I'm kind of funny that I'm making him do a video that I can record him saddling the horse, but I know I'll probably need to watch how he does it again when I actually go to do it. I'm a little nervous about getting it right, and so Braxton doesn't like fall off the horse, you know, have the saddle tight enough. What? Okay, fix the wagon. So we'll see how it goes.
2 saddle blankets. This one is folded in half and it goes on first. Like so. Do you see the cutout in this blanket?
Yes.
It goes forward. Like so. Make sure the pads are even. Do you need a close-up of where it is sitting on the horse?
Okay, they're even.
That's what it looks sitting on the horse.
Okay, it looks fantastic, honey.
This is the saddle.
Here, I'll get a close-up of you.
You take the saddle, the horn goes forward
Gotcha.
and goes on horse has like this.
He has a tail.
Sure
Look,
it's
my
good.
little horse has a tail. Look, my horse has a tail.
Your horse does have a tail.
Come to the other side. Make sure everything is hanging straight. Front cinch,
Come on, bud.
back cinch, breast collar.
Do I stay on this side or follow you?
Front cinch, start with the front cinch. Reach under the horse, do not get kicked in the head. Good. Back up, down. Like so. Make snug. Snug, you want to feel?
I felt it the other day.
Well, on right now because you're tight away. This is just snug.
Feels pretty tight.
Yeah, he blew his belly out. This goes here.
So you loop it up through there.
That just holds everything clean up out of the way.
Okay, so I'm gonna want to tighten that later.
Yeah,
Okay.
probably before he gets on, I'll make sure it's tight.
Okay.
Like that's tight enough right now, he could ride that.
Okay.
Back cinch. Snug. This is underneath the saddle. Pull it out. not choking the horse.
So pretty loose.
Braxton is doing this.
Then you hook that down there.
Braxton, untie your horse. We're gonna here. We'll put it right.
Hey!
You're brushing me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not your horse. Go brush Peaches.
Further, okay?
I like to put the reins over first. Here. Right hand. Left hand. Spread the bit apart.
Oh, it's dark. I can't see you. Oh, there we go.
Thumb in his mouth. Insert bit. Over ears. Throw latch. Not tight.
Coop. The first or second notch, you said?
Yep. And the reins are crossed.
Wait, do we need to tighten that now? Okay. So we wanted about how tight it is now.
Mom, it comes around.
That'll fall off.
Mom, it comes
Oh,
around.
thanks.
Mom, it comes around.
You did? All the way? Coop's a little bit tall.
I know how to get on it forward. This. I got it by myself, Mom.
Okay, take me again.
You're gonna be sick.
You took me on that crazy of a ride?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be sick?
Come on, I got you to your mom.
Oh, thank you. You're a good driver.
Here. Get off. Hey, that works.
Ew.
Good.
You want to?
Come here, Lucky.
Here, I'll hold your baby.
Okay.
Thank you, Lucky. Maybe he's wondering what everybody's doing. Hey, Lucky.
Lucky. Oh, look at you.
Stick your leg out.